आइए मैम, आइए आइए आइए।
वहाँ से वहाँ से। मैम आइए।
अरे वो पीछे ना यार तुम लोग।
घूम जाओ, सिर्फ घूम जाओ।
मैम यहाँ पे आ जाइए, ऊपर आ जाइए।
नहीं नहीं बस सही है यहाँ। हाँ ये वही है।
आगे बढ़, आगे बढ़।
हाँ बस बस वाओ।
कैसे हो सोहा जी?
सोहा जी फ्रॉम योर राइट।
हाँ आ जाओ इधर जाओ।
सोहा जी थोड़ा सा इस तरफ कर दीजिए।
आप लोग कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया
तो
बढ़िया।
मैम यहाँ पे, तो मैम यहाँ पे। सोहा जी यहाँ पे रुकिए। सोहा मैम यहाँ पे।
रुकिए मैम, रुकिए।
सोहा जी यहाँ राइट में थोड़ा, यहाँ पर, यहाँ पर।
थैंक यू।
ए वेट मैम वेट। नो थैंक यू यार।
So when did this place open?
मैम यहाँ पे
तो मैम
मैम यहाँ पे
सोहा जी।
सर जी यहाँ पे आओ। वाओ थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
पीछे से मारो ना भाई।
अरे रुको इधर ही।
Outside.
हाय।
Take some pictures.
या आ जाओ आ जाओ फिर इधर। थोड़ा दो ना। Look here, ma'am. Look here, both.
She's very young, but I believe she has a cold. No?
Ma'am, look here, both.
सोहा मैम लुक सेंटर।
But she was like,
Look here, both.
सोहा मैम सेंटर में।
सेंटर में करो मैम, इधर कैमरे में।
of course, to go to gymnastics now. She was like, it's very bad. And I said, I'm going to.
Thank you.
It's not so bad. I have a 4-year-old. I totally get it.
सोहा जी।
6 now.
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Come, please come.
जानना जा।
खत्म करके फिर बुलाते हैं। खत्म करके
And we're just getting out the first flavor. Just want to make all our mistakes here. So we will. And then we keep also Yes, but we already have. Sorry, yeah. You can get even smaller than this if you want. No problem. Thank you. So we're gonna do something a little fun first. We're gonna give you a little ice cream and you're gonna guess what's there inside.
I only know like vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate.
Yeah, this one's gonna be impossible, so just have fun with it. Sharma, can I borrow you, please? He'll help us tell us what's exactly. This is Anitin Sharma. He's head of operations for the company. So go ahead. Yeah.
Am I supposed to smell it first? No hints. I've got no hints.
No hints. Zero hints. Not yet. Having said that, this name will give you zero information.
First, is there no sugar added or am I eating it?
Just go for it. Tell me.
It's very familiar.
This is a very unique flavor.
I'm eating it. Wait. There's a little bit of coffee. There's some honey.
Okay, tell her what it is. Tell her what it is.
Biscuity. Is it Parle-G? I swear tomorrow I'll stop maybe.
बिल इसमें नहीं बताया। इसमें नहीं
So I said biscuit. Biscuit is wafer.
That's true. She did. She got biscuit.
Not that kind of like wafer. So coconut cream. Hazelnut with coconut. I can't taste coconut at all.
Yeah.
I get like,
You get points.
I get some points.
Yeah.
Biscuit wafer is the same thing.
Okay, can we get the next one,
But
please?
let's get chotu, no? But
Yeah. Told them to get smaller.
Okay, wait, let me look at it. There's some visual cues.
Yes, there's definitely visual cues on this one.
There's a little bit of chocolate. I feel like it'll be a little coffee.
Right, that makes sense. Okay, so this one is a yeah. There we go. There we go.
With chocolate.
Biscotti chocolate fudge.
I was on it. I got it.
There we go. Can we get the next one, please, guys?
Let me do a
Coffee break. Can I get some water? Yes.
coffee spanish.
I doubt it, but go for it anyway. Ingredients I've ordered from like all over the world. So like we have a cherry flavor that has Amanera cherries from Italy, our pistachios from Sicily, our vanilla beans from Madagascar. Very competitive. So we're cheaper than. Oh, corn. Okay.
Oh, nice.
All right. Here you go. Tell me what you think.
I'm guessing there's chocolate in this.
Really?
So, yeah. Where's my phone? That's my phone.
You can still take a spoon if you feel like.
It's a little more delicate. Sugar-free chocolate.
Bang on! Well done.
I know my sugar-free chocolate.
So this is 70% dark chocolate, no added sugar.
I can have more of this.
Sorry? Can you get rid of that? Yeah.
I can do it again as well.
Yeah, this you can eat now. Good?
This is very good.
Glad
And
you like
it's
it.
just right along the sweet.
Perfect.
Sometimes
And
sugar-free
this
becomes
scoop
very
is 95 calories. So it's 2.5% fat, 95 calories, no added sugar, so you can indulge in more often.
How do you sweeten this one?
We sweeten it with a combination with stevia and cannonball and stuff. So we make our own mix, there are 3 or 4, but the main thing is stevia.
It's very nice.
That's
I
why
recommend this
kids
one.
can't have it. You be careful.
Or this long stick. I recommend the long stick.
Where's the thank? Is it good?
Or
Where's the thank you? Where's the thank you?
like with all ice cream.
Did we get our picture with this? Thank you. Get rid of this. Can somebody please? Yeah, Okay, we just keep bringing stuff.
What's how much stuff?
This is our spaghetti ice cream. He handles the creativity part of it, operations, everything else. Yes. It's like spaghetti sauce. And you can see the white chocolate shavings for this cheese. Did we get a few more? Exactly like cheese. That's the idea. Is to have fun with
That time is at 7:30, but we have to do dinner, and anyway, I'll tell you later.
Yeah, good to see you, Sohaji.
Thank you.
So गोल्ड आइसक्रीम के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं। हमने देखा ढेरों सारे आइसक्रीम के फ्लेवर को भी आपने टेस्ट किया। तो सबसे पहले तो बताइए कि ये कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये गोल्ड आइसक्रीम?
सबसे बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे मौका मिला है यहाँ पे आने का। अलीशा जी ने मुझे यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया टू ट्राई फ्रॉम एन एक्सटेंसिव मेन्यू दैट दे हैव, जो मैं पहले से देख चुकी थी और मेरे कुछ दोस्त ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं और बहुत हाईली रेकमेंड किया है उनके लिए भी, उनके बच्चों के लिए भी, क्योंकि आपका जो भी फ्लेवर प्रोफाइल है, आपका जो भी हेल्थ प्रेफरेंस है, यहाँ पे सबके लिए कुछ मिलेगा. If you're a fan of dessert, if you're a fan of ice cream, but you're trying to be health conscious, like perhaps we are,
Yes.
there's lots of no sugar added flavors, there's lots of vegan options. If you're dairy intolerant, if you're a child or a child at heart, I love, there's a kids menu with really cute dessert plates. And they have unicorn styles and teddy bear styles and frog styles with sprinkles and the works. So I think it's a lovely addition to our neighborhood.
What about you? थोड़ा सा बताना चाहेंगे कि गोल्ड बाय आइसक्रीम वर्क्स.
Yes, of course. Firstly, thank you for coming, Soha. Gold by Ice Cream Works is really like meant to change the way you experience and eat ice cream. So it's not just a scoop, it's not the ordinary. You walk in and right from the scent to the way we've done the interiors, to every single flavor, to every single creation, it's meant to take you down a whole journey of how you enjoy ice cream. Like Soha was mentioning, we really have something for everybody. We have the no added sugar range, we have the kids range, we have the good old indulgent, and we have lots of the indulgent. We have ice cream in donut form, ice cream in cake form. We have ice cream served with bread and butter. We have ice cream served in so many ways. You just really have to come and experience it for yourself.
And I think even if you like Indian flavors, they have a lovely Kaju Katli. And you have another one as well, right?
Kulfi. So we have the
Kulfi.
first scoopable kulfi, which we have taken years to create.
Okay. So which is your favorite जो आपने टेस्ट किया and
तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे जो उनका चॉकलेट, डार्क चॉकलेट, नो शुगर एडेड फ्लेवर सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा, because that's what I normally have. But then Alisha made me try a sorbet that was
The strawberry cheesecake. So not a sorbet. It was a no added sugar strawberry cheesecake.
And it's so creamy, but yet no sugar added and only 90 something calories and just a few grams of fat, like 2.5 grams. I'm very interested in the statistics. And it was yummy, so I think that has become my new favorite, the strawberry cheesecake.
और you know, सोहा जी बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं आपके इंडस्ट्री में. सो अगर आप किसी को बताएंगी कि ये आइसक्रीम के बारे में और यहाँ आए एंड वो टेस्ट करें, सो आपका फेवरेट कौन, बाकी किसे आप बोलेंगे कि यहाँ आए एंड ऐसे टेस्ट करके जाएं?
मैं तो सब चुन चुन के क्यों बताऊँ, मैं सबको बताना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि आई थिंक स्पेशली अभी गर्मी का मौसम शुरू हो रहा है, एंड आइसक्रीम इज़ अ वंडरफुल रिफ्रेशिंग स्नैक टू हैव. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट आइसक्रीम्स इन अ सॉलिड फॉर्म. यहाँ पे एक नई चीज़ मैंने ट्राई की, विच इज़ अ फ्रोजन हॉट चॉकलेट, जो बहुत ही डिलिशियस था. विद यू कैन हैव इट विद द whipped cream, without the whipped cream. I would like to bring my daughter, because of course she is a big fan of chocolate, and I know that some of the no sugar added are not child friendly as yet, but you are working on something.
Yes,
for
very
children.
soon.
Very soon that will be very child friendly and also no sugar added, but she's going to love coming here.
सोहा को चूज करने का कोई पर्टिकुलर रीजन, बिकॉज ये ब्यूटीफुल है, आइसक्रीम
The ice cream जैसी तो
आइसक्रीम
नहीं
जैसी
दिखती
दिखती है,
है.
मतलब can you see the similarity?
No, I think Soha is a great ambassador. I think people really trust what she has to say. She has a child like me, and I think I wanted her to come and try for herself and see the products. And if she likes it, I'm sure people will also follow her. So I think that was the main reason.
And I'm
we
so
would love
glad
her to
you
come.
called me, because I was going to come anyway.
Perfect. Worked out well.
super great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for not asking any tricky questions.
No, you shouldn't strict instructions now. And nothing can go before 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Nothing can go before 7 p.m.
हाँ, होने ही वाला है.
Huh. Thank you.
We're done here?
Will you see a comment pictures?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Do you want us to come which side? Do you want to come in for a few
Then you
pictures?
better give me something to take home, because I promised you a
I'm
child.
got it for you.
Just
Don't
one
worry.
thing, but don't send me a lot.
You look too young.
But it's the nature of having a young child.
Yeah, ma'am, yeah.
Thank you. Wait, look here. Ma'am.
Sundays.
हाँ उनका. Sir, look here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
भाई सब पैकअप कर लो.
Look here, one.
Yeah.
सोलो करते, सोलो 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 करते मैम। या आइए सर साथ में
फोटो
हाँ या
look at in the camera.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Look at
खड़ा हो तो क्या चाहिए